a power struggle on Cape Cod tonight. Utility crews working around the clock to try to get the lights back on for thousands of people. The tornado damage is beyond anything most folks have seen on the Cape. Good evening to you. I'm David Wade.
And I'm Lisa Hughes. This was a double whammy. The National Weather Service says 2 tornadoes hit the Cape. The first in South Yarmouth, then minutes later, another tornado in Harwich. About 7,500 customers still don't have power, and they may not have it for several days. Governor Baker toured the damage and says he'll ask the federal government to help pay for the cleanup. Mike LaCrosse is in Harwich tonight with more.
Progress is being made here on the Cape. Majority of the roads are back open since the debris has been cut up and moved to the side. There are some roads still closed, though, as crews work to restore the power.
When I pulled in, the light was on, and duh.
It took a second to sink in for Linda McDermott that her power was back on in Harwich. Then her 3 grandkids came running over with excitement.
We have power.
They came really quickly. I was really shocked when the power came. I didn't think we were going to get power back for a week. Tuesday's
storm hit Harwich hard. The National Weather Service says the tornado was on the ground here for 5 minutes, leaving a 2.8-mile path of destruction behind.
But I did not quite expect as much as I found.
Doug McGilpin lives full-time in Connecticut. He just arrived on the Cape tonight to survey the tree damage around his vacation home.
You feel sort of helpless. You know, you want to go right down, but I got to work. Structurally, it looks like the house is good, and that's the main thing.
This utility crew in Yarmouth is one of more than 900 working non-stop to remove trees and re-energize neighborhoods.
All these branches came off this tree right here.
Like so many others, Joanne Campbell is making progress getting things back to normal in Yarmouth. The tornado was on the ground there for 10 minutes.
I'll take a hurricane any day, please. Tornado freaked me out.
The utility crews here on the Cape are from all over the region. Eversource expects the power to be fully restored by 6 o'clock Friday night. In Harwich, I'm Mike LaCrosse, WBZ News.